Today I'll show you how to crochet the texture rolling waves pattern, which has a wonderful texture, perfect for blankets, handbags, scarves and more. This pattern looks great when using one color, but it looks best if you use two or more colors. On this tutorial, I cut the yarn at each color change, so I won't have color transition on either side of the pattern. But if you are following the pattern for the dinosaur baby blanket, don't cut the yarn, instead carry it over on the side of the blanket, and then in the next video I'll show you how to crochet a border around your blanket so you can hide the yarn. To begin, chain 46 or any multiples of 14 plus 4 chains. Single crochet in a third chain from the hook. Then make one more single crochet stitch in the following chain. 2 half double crochet in the following chains. Then 2 double crochet stitches. And 3 trebles. Next, make 2 double crochet. And 2 half double crochet stitches in the next 2 chains. Then 3 single crochet stitches. Now repeat this section from the 2 half double crochet stitches to the 3 single crochet stitches until the end of the row. And this is your first row. On row 2 we will change colors to bright green and we'll crochet the entire row in the back loop only. Pick up the bright green and pull through your loop. Make a single crochet in the back loop only, which is this loop right here. Then chain 3. This is your first treble in a row. Make 2 more trebles in the following stitches. Two double crochet stitches, two half double crochet stitches, three single crochet stitches, two half double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, and 3 trebles. And you can see the ridge forming, and these are the front loops of the previous stitches. And now repeat this section from the 2 double crochet stitches right here all the way up to the 3 trebles here, all the way until the end of the row. This is your second row. Row 3 is made in bright green as well, and it's crocheted through both loops of the stitches. Turn your work and chain 4. This counts as your first treble. Make 2 more trebles. Next, 2 double crochet stitches. 2 half double crochet stitches, 3 single crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, then 3 trebles in the following stitches. Repeat this section starting from the 2 double crochet stitches right here all the way up to the 3 trebles right here until the end of the row. And this is your third row. On row 4 we change colors back to dark green and the entire row is crocheted in the back loop only. Bring your yarn and pull it through the loop, then turn. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the back loop only. 2 more single crochet stitches, followed by 2 half double crochet stitches, then 2 double crochet stitches, and 3 trebles. Now make 2 double crochet stitches, two half double crochet stitches, 3 single crochet stitches. And now you can see the ridge. Repeat the section starting from the 2 half double crochet stitches right here all the way up to the 3 single crochet stitches all the way to the end of the row. And this is your fourth row. Row 5 is crocheted in dark green and through both loops of the stitches. Turn your work and chain 1, then single crochet in the very first stitch, 2 single crochet stitches next, followed by 2 half double crochet stitches, two double crochet stitches, three trebles, 2 double crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches, 3 single crochet stitches, and now just repeat this section, the section starting from the 2 half double crochet stitches right here at the beginning all the way to the 3 single crochet stitches all the way across the row. And this is the 5th row. Row 6 is crocheted in the back loop only. Turn your work and make a single crochet in the back loop only in the very first stitch. Then chain 3, and this is your first treble in a row. Make 2 more trebles, two double crochet stitches next, followed by 2 half double crochet stitches and 3 single crochet stitches. Then 2 half double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, and 3 trebles. And now repeat this section starting from the first 2 double crochet stitches right here all the way to these 3 trebles. Repeat this section all the way along until the end of the row. And this is your 6th row. Row 7 is crocheted in bright green and through both loops of the stitch. Turn your work and chain 4. This is your first treble in a row. Make 2 more trebles, followed by 2 double crochet stitches, 2 half double crochet stitches, 3 single crochet stitches, then 2 half double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, then 3 trebles, and after that you just repeat this section right here from the 2 double crochet stitches right here at the beginning all the way to these 3 trebles right here all the way across the row. And this is your 7th row. To continue with the pattern, repeat rows 4 through 7 until you have the desired length. Once you have the desired length, finish with a half wave row for a flat seam. The final row is working a back loop only of the stitches, and if you follow this pattern, it will be made in dark green. Switch your colors and turn. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the very first stitch. Then 2 more single crochet stitches, followed by 2 half double crochet stitches, then 2 double crochet stitches, and 3 trebles, next make 2 double crochet stitches, then 2 half double crochet stitches, and 3 single crochet stitches. Repeat this pattern starting from the 2 half double crochet stitches right here all the way up to the 3 single crochet stitches all the way across the row until the end. And this is your final row. Don't forget to block your blanket, and in the next video I'll show you how to crochet a single crochet border around your blanket to hide color changes and color transitions.